Hello everyone. Today we are going to practice RRB Staff Nurse Community Health Nursing MCQs Set 7. Let's get started. Which of the following is transmitted by ingestion of undercooked pork? Correct answer is C. Taenia solium. Taenia solium is a pork tapeworm that infects humans through consumption of undercooked or contaminated pork. Next question. Kala Azar is transmitted by. Correct answer is D. Sandfly. Leishmania donovani causes Kala Azar, which is spread by the bite of the female sandfly. Next question. Which of the following is not an arthropod-borne disease? Correct answer is D. Tetanus. Tetanus is caused by Clostridium tetani spores in the soil, not by any arthropod vector. Next question. Which vector transmits chikungunya virus? Correct answer is C. Aedes aegypti. The same mosquito that spreads dengue also transmits the chikungunya virus. It breeds in clean, stagnant water. Next question. Janani Suraksha Yojana JSY focuses on. Correct answer is C. Maternal health during delivery. JSY promotes institutional deliveries by providing cash incentives to mothers and ASHA workers. Next question. Which program was launched to reduce under 5 child mortality due to diarrhea? Correct answer is C. Intensified Diarrhea Control Fortnight IDCF. IDCF focuses on the use of ORS and zinc to reduce child deaths due to diarrhea. Next question. What is the key focus of RMNCH plus A strategy? Correct answer is C. Reproductive, maternal, newborn, child and adolescent health. RMNCH plus A is an integrated approach covering life stages and strengthening the healthcare continuum. Next question. Tetanus affects which body system primarily? Correct answer is B. Nervous. The tetanus neurotoxin blocks inhibitory neurotransmitters in the CNS, leading to muscle spasms and rigidity. Next question. How long is the protective duration of a tetanus vaccine booster? Correct answer is C. 10 years. A tetanus booster is recommended every 10 years to maintain protective immunity. Next question. What is the main screening test for diabetes mellitus? Correct answer is C. Fasting blood glucose. A fasting blood sugar levels greater than 126 mg per dl is diagnostic for diabetes. Next question. Which of the following is considered a metabolic disorder? Correct answer is C. Diabetes. Diabetes is a metabolic disease affecting glucose regulation due to insulin resistance or deficiency. Next question. Which is a common complication of prolonged uncontrolled hypertension? Correct answer is C. Stroke. Hypertension can damage blood vessels in the brain, leading to hemorrhage or infarction stroke. Next question. Which of the following has contributed most to the decline in death rate in India? Correct answer is C. Improved healthcare and sanitation, widespread vaccination, access to medicines, and better hygiene have lowered the mortality rate. Next question. What is the median age of the Indian population as per recent estimates? Correct answer is B. 28 years. India has a young population with a median age of approximately 28 years, which is advantageous for labor and growth. Next question. Which zoonotic disease can be transmitted from cattle to humans through inhalation? Correct answer is C. Anthrax. Inhalational anthrax can occur when Bacillus anthracis spores from infected animals are inhaled. Next question. Which bacteria is associated with foodborne illness from raw or undercooked eggs? Correct answer is B. Salmonella enteritis. Raw and improperly cooked eggs can harbor Salmonella enteritis, leading to gastroenteritis. Next question. Staphylococcal food poisoning is characterized by. Correct answer is A. Rapid onset vomiting. Staph aureus produces heat-stable enterotoxins causing vomiting within 1 to 6 hours of ingestion. Next question. Which parasite causes neurocytic sclerosis? Correct answer is B. Taenia solium. Taenia solium larvae can migrate to the brain, causing seizures and cyst formation, neurocytic sclerosis. Next question. Which parasite causes cutaneous larva migraines? Correct answer is B. Ancylostoma brasilensis. This dog and cat hookworm causes itchy, winding skin eruptions due to larval migration in the skin. Next question. Which is a distinguishing feature of dengue hemorrhagic fever? Correct answer is C. Low platelet count and bleeding. Dengue hemorrhagic fever features thrombocytopenia, bleeding, and plasma leakage due to immune response. Next question. Under which program is ASHA a key functionary? Correct answer is C. NRHM. ASHAs were introduced under NRHM to act as health link workers in rural communities. Next question. Mission Indradhanush aims to. Correct answer is C. Increase immunization coverage. This mission aims to immunize children against 12 vaccine preventable diseases. Next question. Rashtriya Kishore Swasthya Karyakram RKSK focuses on. Correct answer is C. Adolescent health. RKSK targets issues like nutrition, mental health, substance abuse, and reproductive health in adolescents. Next question. Which of the following is a symptom of tetanus? Correct answer is B. Lockjaw tremors. Tetanus toxin affects the jaw muscles, causing spasms and inability to open the mouth, a hallmark symptom. Next question. Tetanus is caused by. Correct answer is B. Spore forming anaerobic bacteria. Clostridium tetani is an anaerobic gram positive spore forming bacterium found in soil and dust. Next question. COPD is commonly caused by. Correct answer is C. Long-term smoking. Cigarette smoke is the primary risk factor for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Next question. Which of the following is a modifiable risk factor for cardiovascular diseases? Correct answer is C. Diet. A high fat, high salt diet is a major modifiable risk factor for heart disease. Next question. India's current birth rate is approximately. Correct answer is B. 18 per 1000. As per recent data, India's crude birth rate has declined to about 18 per 1000 population. Next question. India's total fertility rate TFR is currently near. Correct answer is C. 2.0. TFR in India has declined steadily and is near replacement level 2.1. Next question. Which of the following is a zoonotic fungal infection? Correct answer is B. Ringworm. Dermatophytes such as microsporum can be transmitted from animals to humans, especially from pets.